Wouldn't it be nice to never forget your keys again? There's one bold solution. Just get rid of them. Unlock a keyless life with the Bolt Smart Lock. Wait, what on earth is a smart lock? It's a 100% keyless lock, easily installed in 5 minutes, and convenient to use by phone with our Bolt app. We hear you thinking, is it safe? Hell yeah, it is! It's way safer than a normal cylinder, because you have to twist to turn, and besides that, Bluetooth with additional encryption does all the work for you. That means no hacking. You are secure for sure. Dead phone? No worries. Just use your personal backup pin. And you can safely share access with whoever you want. From 1-minute access for your delivery hero until, oh well, forever.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver, the Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US Deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind.
Introducing Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security.
Your sister.
Getting out of the house isn't always easy, but the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt
We all set?
makes it easier.
Slippers? Really? Well, she can't wear those.
You can lock and unlock the door with your smartphone from anywhere, including your driveway.
My headphones.
You can assign codes to family and trusted visitors and receive optional notifications when they're used. And with Apple Home Keys, simply tap to unlock using your iPhone or Apple Watch.
Now do we have everything?
The Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt makes getting in and out of your home a little easier.
Did you lock the door? I got it.